Yeah, Surojit, can you turn on your camera?
Ma'am, just a second.
Sure, sure.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me something about yourself, Surojit. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Myself, Surojit Dev. I'm a BCom graduated student, and I currently acquired a knowledge regarding data analytics. So I master SQL, Power BI, Power Query with M language, and I'm also good in Excel. And I did a lot of self-initiated project, and currently joined with Lamantics internship program.
Okay, can you please tell me something about your self initiative projects that you did? What kind of results and observations you got?
Okay, so ma'am, I did a project called the Amazon Prime Video. So where I did analysis on different areas and find out that which are the TV shows and the movies are on the top rated, as well as also find that which are not performing well as well. So yeah,
All right. Can you tell me what are the tools that you use for your analysis, like basic tools?
in that particular project.
No, like generally.
Okay, so ma'am, mostly I use Power BI for the data visualization, as well as also write DAX using the Power BI. And for data cleaning, I mostly use Power Query, and I am very good in the Power Query with M language. And genuinely, I use SQL database, Microsoft SQL Server.
Okay, all right. Can you tell me the difference between your inner join and outer join?
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, inner join is a part of a is a type of a join where we can keep all the common value between the two tables or more than two tables based on the related columns. And the outer join, ma'am, are you talking about outer join? Okay.
Yes.
So in the outer join, in that particular join, we also merge two or more than two table based on the common columns. But the difference between the outer join is in the outer join we keep all the records. So it contains either common record as well as non-common record.
Okay, all right. Can you tell me how would you handle outliers in your data?
Outliers. Okay. So for this, I use statistical method. So first of all, I'll check the minimum value and then check the maximum value and also check the average value. And based on that, if I see the number is very fluctuating, then I I act uh, I I act as per that.
Okay, okay, all right. Can you tell me what is the importance of using pivot tables in your data analysis?
Okay. So mainly I use pivot table in the Power BI. So I see that it works on the filter context. So as we know that the measure return a scalar value. So when we pick any measure inside the pivot table, so it return a single value. So when we use any text column, so what it does, it just filter out the single measure. So basically the pivot table works on the filter context, and it is very useful to group the values, basically the numeric values based on the distinct text value.
Okay, can you tell me the difference between your correlation and causation?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't have knowledge in that
Okay,
statistical proof.
that's fine. It's a bit like hard question, so it's okay. Can you tell me how do you perform your EDA and especially how do you deal with your missing values?
Okay, so to performing EDA, I use Power BI. So and for handling the missing values, first of all, I'll check each and every column and also check the null values from there and try to understand that uh, why the null values is there. And based on that, I use statistical method using mean, median, and mode to fill the missing values. So I use mean and median to fill the numeric based missing values and use mode to fill the text-based missing value. And in the Power Query, we get a feature called fill up and fill down to fill the missing value. And also uh, in the Python, there is a function called the interpolation function. So with the help of interpolation function, we also can fill the missing values. So it works on the prediction. So it check the upper value and lower value, and based on that, it predict the missing value. So based
All
on the
right.
requirement, we can use any of the method.
Okay, okay, that's great. Last question for you. How
Okay.
would you use statistical techniques to analyze trends over time?
Okay. So statistical. So mainly I use minimum and maximum and average to find out the trends, and also use a text column. So based on that, I find the analysis. I mean the trend, and not
Time
not have too much.
analysis also you can do. Okay, no issues. That's fine. Thank you so much for joining, Surajit. It was a great session. Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Nice.